Hey BFFs! Welcome back to our cozy little bahay! Today, super exciting cause we're going back to school shopping with Nining! Guess what? She's doing it all by herself this time. But of course, may konting tulong pa rin from us. So, wag nang magpahuli. Grab your cards and let's go shopping! Ito naman si ate. Oh. Say hi, Daddy. Si Daddy. So, ano yung mga list mo? Ayun yung mga list mo.
Do you need an eraser?
So, pinadala niya sa akin yung card. Titingin siya. Tapos,
Every school year, I need to buy 4 pads, like 4 sets of pad paper. But then 4 bottles.
for a whole year?
Yeah, diba? I always look for my
So, you're going to buy that now? For pads?
Or
You can book mine here anytime. Okay. So, outfit check muna tayo dito sa batang kikay na ito. Remove the dirt. I don't want dirty card. Can you please, just get another one? Short. Yeah, you buy long and short. Is that enough? Yeah. Hey, can you please move the dirt? Yeah, umaatake yung pagiging usik ko. Throw it in the garbage bin. Oh, sorry. Asawa ko busy-busy yan, pero init na yan. Oh, nagpapaalam siya kanina. Gusto daw niya tumingin ng mga sasakyan. Yung sabi ko, aalis na siya bukas eh. May work na naman siya, tapos mas gusto pa niyang piniin yung sasakyan. Kaya hindi siya makaalis. Yan siya. Hindi kita binubuli. Sabi niya binubuli ko daw siya. Kayo ang humusga. Binubuli ba kita? Asan yung mga anak ko? Oh, ayun. Ayun siya. Busy siya magtingin. Diba you have your notebooks are color coded, right? Color coded, right, Janine?
Opo.
Opo. Oh, very good daw. Opo. Sarap naman ng pakinggan. Opo. Maybe. Is that allowed? Ano ba kayo? Writing?
It's composition.
Composition right now?
It's composition.
Ah, okay. What grade are you in? Ano ba?
9.
Grade 9. She's in grade 9. Oh, put it here. The card. Yeah. If there's no available color that you need, we can buy na lang art paper. But I have plenty of art papers in the house, right? So no need to buy some stuff because our house, diba, they called our family called National Bravo Store. Because I used to craft, so I have plenty of materials that I didn't use anymore. So that's why their classmates called our house, our family, National Bravo Store. It's like NBS, National Bravo Store. What college stuff are you going to buy, or do you need?
P-square.
Now? You wait for the classes to start, so that you will get the list of requirements that you need. Okay? So stay put, okay? So si ate po ay magiging future architect. Yan po siya. Our future architect. So, pangarap niya yun mag-shopping siya. Nagmamadali, Daddy?
Oh, wait. Excuse me, Mama.
Okay. Can you bring this na lang? Oh, yeah. Kasi ginagawa mo assistant si Mama. wala pong makeup ang lola niyo for today's video. Kasi, ano, madaling-madali, daddy. Ayun, ako kasi siya po. Bini on. What? How many composition notebooks do you need? 7. Ito yun. Wait, tama? Wait. Excuse me po. So, anong ginagawa na naman ng mag-ama dyan? Busy kayo sa cellphone. At di ka kaya kayo mag-usap. Magkatabi kayo yun, di ba?
Di ba mo needs watercolor?
I don't know. You ask water niya. Ano sabi mo?
Dan?
Dan siya ng dan. Wala pa kami 30 minutes dito. Dan daw.
May mga specific brand ka gusto.
Napagalitan niya yan. Ganito pagalitan niya kanya. Huwag daw ka mamaingin. Nagagalit ng aming bunso. Ano kasi ito yung magloloyal ito. Kaya ganito. Nagagalit siya. Narinig niyo kung paano siya magsalita. Nagagalit siya.
Princess.
You don't like the Princess one?
May mga design.
Eh di, ano naman, cover it na lang. Yung art paper, right? Bakit? Makikita ba yung inside? There's a, ano ba? Inside, there's a, nakalagay Princess. Oh, no naman pala. Eh, pwede na yan. Takpan mo na lang. What? Harot ng daddy. Gusto mo, ako na lang harutin. Ha?
Ano pa kulay? Ano pa? Anong color pa? Yan. What else?
Wait.
Blue?
We need blue.
Blue? Yellow. What is that?
Oh, you need orange na, daddy. Orange mo. Don't pull it like that. Ano eh? Tapos sabihin ko. Yeah.
Ano kumampi sa akin? Ano ba ito? Marami ka nasusulat dito. Oh, salamat.
Janine, daddy's talking. Oo, ito.
Sige ka?
Orange.
Ano? Orange? Ano?
Orange folder.
Orange folder nilo.
That's why.
Red yan, daddy.
Look at color paper pa.
Colored? Colored paper, may.
Ay,
Wait, bad. Ito yung colored paper. Wait, bad. No, colored paper is fine. Construction paper.
Kasi may white sa likod.
What's that? Wait, sorry.
Construction is fine. Art paper yun.
Wait, not colored paper. What is bad? Is bad quality? Pag mag-ibag na ano.
National Graphics Store na tayo.
Oo, di ba yung mga contracting namin?
Ayun, you guys think I'm starting? Sometimes. This one we did. That's what we did. Every time we have.
A yearbook. Kanina, double light. Purple.
Yeah, but I need them back.
Oh, no.
This long?
Yeah, that's long.
This yellow one is cute.
Pag dyan, Beanie pencil case on. Ano to? Keychain nila. May keychains na charms. Siguro magugustuhan nyo na yun.
These are kitchens?
Charms.
I think they're for like dogs.
O baka.
Gibbets.
Judith. Yeah.
Let's go.
Pero pala silang mga ganyan.
Folders.
Pipili na tayo? Better folders. Okay. Ay, kung may sinasabi ko tayo, nasa taas.
Yeah, purple. I need purple. Just orange and purple.
Kaya na kaya. Orange and purple. Okay na yan. Ay, sorry. Ang kawin mo dati. So, pipili na siya. Bila. Thank you, miss. Let's go, Tabunini. Insect 10, 500 plus. And that's a wrap, BFFs! Nining did such a great job today. We're super proud of her. Nakakatuwang makita how excited she is for school. And syempre, shopping is always more fun when we're together. Thank you so much for joining us today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And share mo na rin sa mga ka-BFF mong naghahanda na rin for back to school. Till next time, stay happy, stay inspired, and stay BFFs. Bye! Ayan yung Jollibee, tapos eto yung DQ.